Morning, guys. It's the beginning of May here in Georgia. I've done my broadleaf treatments with a sprayer. Now I'm about to do my granular treatment with some weed and feed from Lowe's, Sunnyland weed and feed. I'll show you a picture here in a minute. I'll show you the calendar. And this is what my grass looks like right now. So far, I'll do some before and after. You can see this stuff slowly dying. Not looking too good. Grass still don't look too good either, but you can tell the Bermuda's growing and there's not as many weeds as there was. So I can definitely tell an improvement. So about to spread this stuff. I'll let y'all know. This right here is what I'm using. Found it at Lowe's, a good deal. Covers 15,000 square feet. Weed and feed by Sunnyland. I'm not sure if they still sell it or make it. This one I'm gonna use. We've got to put it out when the got the morning dew on the grass, and we'll see how it works. I'll show you the calendar right here too. Hey guys, here's a kind of a picture of what this stuff looks like. This weed and feed that I'm using, granular. You know, it really looks like some of that Walmart stuff. You can buy at Walmart. I think that's a little more expensive, but this one I'm using the Scott's Basic. I don't know the exact rate to use it on. Somewhere between 3 and 5, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, that's what it looks like out of the bag. 2006 weed and feed. So here's the Bermuda grass calendar. This is by the University of Georgia, as you can see in the top left. Tells you, you know, kind of what to do through the month. I've already done this right here. I've done my broadleaf spot spray. I also did my spring pre-emergent in March. So I've done those couple. Now we're into May. And you might want to pause the video and take a look at this a little better. Now we're in May though, and I'm doing, where is that? Right here. Grassy weeds. Best is in May. So we're gonna start that with this weed and feed, and keep you posted. Thanks.